Hello everyone, did you hear Obama went to Vietnam and ate grilled pork and noodle dish? Well, I tell you now, you don't need to travel to Vietnam because I will show you how to make it at home. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. Let's go to the kitchen with me. I will show you how. This dish is very famous from Vietnam. There are restaurants they are just sell this dish alone on the menu. So I have 500 grams, about more than 1 pound of Boston butt. You can use pork belly if you want fattier, but make sure that you have the meat that has some fat in there. Otherwise, it's very dry when you grill them. So I keep very simple marinade. That's what the Hanoi people do. If talking about spices, the people from the south are more spicy oriented than the north people. So the marinade going to this is a salt, pepper, garlic powder, and fish sauce, and white part of green onion, garlic, and shallot. That's it, very simple and easy to find ingredients. I divided into two kind of meats. One keep slices and the other will be ground. That's what the traditional grilled pork for this dish. So I grind the pork myself. I prefer it that way. I have a food processor at home, so it's easy for me to do that. I like to do grinding at home because I can control my meat. I know it's fresh, and I know I control the level of fattiness in it, and it's cost less. So after I'm done now, I oil my grill rack, and today we will go out to the lake. My house is on the lake, and today we go very far down the lake to start the fire, and we will grill them. So excited, do you? So for the slices, I put on one side, and I will make a patty for the other side. This I will make the size that they are selling. So it's just like a small gold ball, but you make it flat. It's just like that. So that when you eat, you dip into the fish sauce dip, and you bite with a bite or two. I think that I will got it at 2 or 3 bites. Cannot do one bite that too big. Now this is I started the fire. You can see everywhere is I isolated the fire from any other plants or trees or anything. So the fire department doesn't come for you. So I set my rack on the fire, preferable that the fire did go into amber. You don't want light fire, it will burn your meat. So I let it go for one side. You can see the color nice there. And I oil and I flip to the other side. Now we just wait for the other side the same color with this side, and then we're done. It smells so good right now. There is nothing better than grilled meat. And when I see my meat is cooked, I smoke them. I like the smoke because the smoke is on the flavor from the fat that drop down and it burn and it get back into your meat. Now back inside the house, I cook the noodles. In Vietnam, we have fresh rice noodle available in the market, but here we only can eat it from dry noodle. So you cook it according to the Bacchus instruction. Now I put my food onto the platter, the bamboo platter here. I have kind of use it like a big platter. I lay down on my vegetable lettuce, green and red, and I have oregano, Vietnamese oregano. I have peppermint, spearmint, sweet mint, and cilantro. Now I lay my pickles. Normally they in the north, the original from Hanoi, they will have kohlrabi pickles with carrots, but I don't have both of them, so I use daikon radish with pickle carrot. And because on everything is lean, the noodle is lean, the vegetable is lean, so I make some green onion oil. It will go very well with the noodles. And you can see I have the fish sauce dip right there. I will put the link in the description box below for the how to make the fish sauce dip. Now my vegetable ready, my noodle ready, my dip ready, pickle oil ready. Now I lay my meat onto the platter, and you can see it's so good, look beautiful, and this is natural color. It created by the fire. How great that is. You don't need to have artificial color, anything, and the meat still look good. That is the magic of the fire. And now we are ready to eat. I invite you to taste it with me. And while we eating, I like to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. That's your support to me. Thank you. Now I have a rose carving from the red radish, and this is daisy. I will put on my platter so they look so my platter will look nice. Don't you think? It looks lovely there, but I have one more. I have a mushroom. Let me take the mushroom, and we put there too. Oh, great! And that's it. Don't you think it's beautiful? Thank you. Come back to see me soon. Bye bye.